In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add time to a retainer using time tracking. By the end, you'll be able to log your work quickly and make sure those hours are correctly attributed to your retainer project, so your reports and budgets stay accurate. First, open your workspace and head to the time tracking area. This is the hub where all your time entries live. You'll typically find it in the main navigation or sidebar, and it may display a list of recent entries or a calendar view. Once you're there, look for the plus New Entry button. It's usually easy to spot in the middle of the screen, and it's your starting point for creating a fresh time record. Next, select the client you're working with. If you manage several clients, use the search or scroll carefully to pick the right one. Choosing the correct client keeps your reporting clean and ensures the project list you see is accurate. After selecting the client, choose the project. For this process, make sure you pick the retainer project associated with that client. Retainer projects are typically set up with a defined allotment of hours or a recurring budget, so attaching your time here helps track usage against that agreement. If you see multiple projects with similar names, hover or check the details to confirm you've got the retainer one. Now enter the hours you worked. Use the format your system accepts. This could be a decimal like 1.5 for 1.5 hours, or an hours and minutes format like 130. Be consistent with your team's standards and double-check for typos to avoid over or under reporting. Add a clear, concise description of what you did. Good descriptions help everyone understand the context later. Mention the task or deliverable, the area of focus, and any relevant identifiers such as an internal ticket or milestone. Aim for enough detail to make the entry meaningful without turning it into a long report. When everything looks correct, click Save. Give the system a moment to process. You should see the new entry appear in your time list or calendar, attached to the selected client and retainer project. That's it. Your time is now added to your retainer. For peace of mind, scan your timesheet or the project's summary to confirm the hours landed where they should. Accurate entries here support transparent invoicing, make capacity planning easier, and keep retainer burn rates on track. Thanks for following along, and keep this flow handy so logging time becomes a quick, reliable habit.